Paramveer Chakra, the ultimate honor. The Paramveer Chakra is the most important military award in India. Since its institution on the 26th of January 1950, it has been awarded to 21 brave hearts of the Indian Armed Forces. To be considered worthy of this honor, a warrior needs to display the utmost courage in the field of battle. Whether on land, at sea, or in the air, he must display the willingness to sacrifice all when faced by the enemy. Paramveer Chakra, the ultimate honor. Major Somnath Sharma. There has never been a lack of patriots in our country. The Indian Armed Forces are filled with stirring stories of courageous men who displayed unquestioning loyalty to the nation. Our first story is of one such individual, and it begins in the early 1930s with little Som. I also want to join the army, Papa. Ha. I think you should study for the Indian Civil Services and join the government, Som. That is a much better job. No, all I want is to join the Indian Army. Somnath was from a family of army officers. His father, Amarnath Sharma, went on to become a general in the army. At the age of 10, Somnath's parents took him to meet Major General Bruce Hay, the district commander of Lucknow. I hope I get admission. Somnath was hoping to get into the Prince of Wales Military College in Dehradun. Prince of Wales Military College was later renamed Rashtriya Indian Military College. Somnath's confidence impressed the Major General and he was inducted into the military college immediately. His army training began at the age of 10. After RIMC, Somnath joined the Indian Military Academy. He passed out of IMA. In 1942, he was a commissioned officer at the age of 19. During the Burma campaign in World War II, Bahadur, come on, get up. We aren't leaving you behind. No, Somi Saab, you should carry on without me. Tarankan Burma is now Myanmar. Take that man off your shoulder right now. You cannot afford to slow down. With all due respect, sir, this soldier has lost a lot of blood. He cannot walk on his own. Somnath ran back to his camp as fast as he could. I don't know how I can thank you. Somi Saab, get better soon, Bahadur. You need your rest. Bahadur survived to tell the tale. On the 31st of October 1947. Is it necessary for you to go to Kashmir on such a dangerous mission with a hockey injury? You know I have to, MA. You should be careful, Som. Do you realize how much all this worries me? You are the wife and the mother of army men. You should be proud of US. I am more than proud. But I am also a mother and I worry. I'm not afraid. The bullet with my name on it is already out there. Nothing can stop it. Till then, I shall live fearlessly. I will be back before you know it. At that time, Major Somnath Sharma was part of the 4 Kumaon Battalion. He was Delta Company's commander. Even though India had just won her independence, things had not settled in the country. There was unrest in Kashmir. The Maharaja of Kashmir, Hari Singh, had not made his decision to join India yet. But when Pakistan sent 5,000 tribesmen to capture Kashmir, the Maharaja was forced to flee. The raiders plundered and looted as they advance. The only hope I have to protect Kashmir from the raiders is to side with India and sign the Declaration of Accession. India immediately gave orders to ward off the raiders. 4 Kumaon Battalion was among the units that were to move to Srinagar. 4 Kumaon Battalion has been called in to protect the Srinagar airstrip. Dispatch orders to Major Somnath Sharma. Yes, sir. The battalion had been looking after internal security at the time. The other companies were deployed at HISSAR, Gulgan and Rohtak areas. Tarankan sub-unit of a regiment, consisting of 14015 SOLDIERS. I am sorry, Somnath, but you cannot go with an injury like yours. I will get the order reversed. Sir, my men know the way. I function and I know them. I must go. A legal document created in 1947 to enable each of the rulers of the princely states to join one of the new nations of India or Pakistan. On the 31st of October, Major Somnath Sharma, along with 70 men of the Delta Company, arrived in Srinagar. The airstrip connects Srinagar to the rest of India. It is the fastest way to get supplies and troops into the state. We cannot lose control of it. Yes, sir. On the 2nd of November, Major Somnath's company was joined by Company A Alpha headed by Captain H.S. Bolina. We have information that there is a large group of raiders moving in over these hills. That's Budgam village. It is next to the airbase. An enemy there would be a serious threat. The next day, 2 companies headed by Major Somnath, along with a company under Captain Ronnie Wood from 1 Kumaon, were sent to survey Budgam. Search thoroughly, we can't leave anything to chance. After a while, nothing suspicious, sir, only some Kashmiri refugees hiding in the Nala over there. 1 Kumaon battalion was ordered to return to the base camp. At around 14:30 HRS, the Kashmiri refugees started leaving. Hey, stop, where are you going? Subedar, search these men. We're just going home. Suddenly, ambush, take cover. We are only a few, but we have to stop them from infiltrating. The 70 Indian soldiers were facing close to a 1,000 raiders. We are under attack and have been surrounded from 3 sides. We need reinforcements. Dispatching air support. You are advised to stand down and not try anything rash. We are not letting go of our position, sir, with fighter planes on their way. These chalk markings will help the Air Force spot our position. Soon, Spitfires, air support had arrived, giving the men on the ground a few minutes of relief. In spite of the help from the Indian Air Force, the situation on the ground was worsening. Keep fighting. The enemy is 50 meters away. We are outnumbered. We'll fight to the last man and last round. The men were falling and there were not enough soldiers to man all the machine guns. Major Somnath picked up a machine gun from the ground and loaded it with a magazine. Ignoring the pain in his already injured arm, he continued to destroy the enemy. Somnath's fearlessness inspired his men to fight harder. But as Somnath stopped to reload his gun, an enemy shell landed directly into some ammunition stored nearby. When the smoke cleared, Major Somnath Sharma lay among the dead. Somnath was just 24 years of age when he died. Spurred by his leader's death, Sepoy Yun Singh rushed head-on for Somi Sa, shooting down the enemy. Major Somnath had inspired his men even with his last breath. I will not give up. Neither will I. Yun Singh attacked the enemy furiously, till he was brought down by a barrage of machine gun fire. The Indians fought gallantly. The intruders were forced to retreat. They are falling back. We have won enough time for the reinforcements to arrive. Besides Major Somnath and Sepoy Yun Singh, the company lost 20 soldiers, while 26 others were wounded. Let US pull back to a secure location. Tarankan Sepoy Yun Singh was awarded the Mahavir Chakra for his role in the Battle of Budgam. The badly wounded enemy retreated into the nearby hills without making any further attempts at capturing the airfield. The battle at Budgam strengthened India's position in Kashmir. The enemy has been defeated and the airfield is now secure. By holding their ground, Major Somnath Sharma and his band of brave men secured Srinagar and prevented Pakistan from taking over Kashmir. Major Somnath was the first person to be awarded the Param Veer Chakra, India's highest gallantry award. Jai Hind. Bharat Mata ki Jai.